How to lock apps on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can lock a certain application in your iPhone. So first, go to the Shortcuts application in your iPhone. If you can see it, use the search bar to find it, or you can quickly download it from the App Store. So once you're in the app, hit the Add button to create shortcut. Then select Add Action, then search for lock screen and choose it under scripting. Then tap Done to save it. To set up an automation, head to the Automation tab and tap the Add icon. Then scroll down, then select App. Tap Choose, then select the apps you want to lock. It can either be Facebook, Instagram, or Documents, whatever you would like. Then after selecting the apps, make sure that you check the Is Open. Then choose Run Immediately, then tap Next. So now, whenever you open the one selected apps, your iPhone will automatically lock, requiring Face ID or a passcode to access it.